Hey there! So you want to learn Forex trading? Imagine for a moment that after much research, you found an information organization with tall promises of making learning fun and easy. You enrolled for their expensive course with high hopes and aspirations. But soon, you realize that not only you're afraid to ask questions in front of so many students, but your impatient mentor is only interested in making money rather than seeing you succeed. Now, stop imagining, because it is a reality that so many people interested in learning Forex trading face regularly. I know this because I have had similar issues in the past. Hi, my name is Rodney Beasley, and like you, I have tried so many courses, mentors, and programs to learn Forex trading, only to end up feeling disheartened. But here is the good news. After investing in the last 3 years of my life analyzing the Forex trading market, it all started to come together as I began to see amazing results. Soon, I was among the top 1% of successful traders. I am not going to lie to you. The journey was really tough. But along the way, I learned amazing tips and tricks that I have compiled under this mentorship program, which I hope will help you cut down your learning curve and amass knowledge much faster that you can put to use and become a successful Forex trader without going through any hassle. Check my free content on YouTube to get a glimpse of my teaching that can possibly help you join that top 1% too, if you're serious enough. See you soon.